Yo, what is up you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. So today I'm actually going to be helping out my buddy Jeff over here at Impressive Wrap. He has a Lamborghini Urus for me that needs to be wrapped in a satin black. So as you guys can see, the original color is a gloss black. We're going to be wrapping it in a satin black made by Avery. My boy Zach is over here wrapping a Porsche satin black, as you guys can see. So this is the actual exact color that we'll be wrapping the car. First things first, we're going to go ahead and knock out the quarter panel and doors first. Since it is going black on black, we are going to go ahead and wrap it all in one shot. You guys can see it does have a rubber trim, so we're not really too worried about doing full coverage right there since the trim will be pretty much covering everything up. So I'll give it one final wipe down. We'll start off with the driver's side and we're pretty much going to go ahead and hop right onto this. Let's get it. Alright guys, so I just got the driver's side to the Urus prepped. So this one's going to be a little bit different just because the mirror's still on. When you guys remove the mirrors on these, it's actually very complicated, so we're going to leave these ones on. What I'm going to end up doing is I'll get my little zippy or my blade, I'll end up cutting it straight across just like this. And what this is going to allow it to do, it'll end up separating the door as well the top quarter panel. I'll use this one for the top quarter panel, and then obviously the rest will go ahead and go onto the door. So I'll set you guys up and let's go ahead and get this side done. Alright guys, so I finished up the driver's side doors and the quarter panel not too long ago. While I put you guys down, I went ahead and masked and actually did the inlays to the rear bumper. So there's an inlay right here, and then there is an inlay right inside. You can't really see it, but it goes right in there. And then same thing with that side. Masked everything off just to go ahead and ensure that we're not going to go ahead and put our blade into any paint. So we're going to go ahead and hop straight onto the bumper. I'm going to go ahead and give it one final wipe down. I'll set you guys up and it's going to get this one done. Alright guys, so I just finished up the rear bumper to the Urus. This bumper was definitely a pain in the ass, I can see that. And I actually didn't even finish it, I forgot to tuck this side. I know I did the other side for sure, I just seen that right now. But I'm going to go ahead and finish that up. Once I go ahead and finish the other side of that little piece. But now that the rear bumper is done, I'm going to go ahead and hop onto the front end. So we'll go ahead and knock out the 2 fenders and the hood for today. And then that only leaves us with the door handles, the front bumper, the rear trunk, and then the roof. So we should be able to get the Lamborghini done by tomorrow night. And yeah, all right guys, so I got the fenders all prepped and ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and cut out my piece. I'll set you guys up and we're going to go ahead and knock out the 2 fenders really quickly, as well the hood. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog right here. Before I go ahead and get more into the video, you guys are probably wondering why my face is swollen. I got my wisdom teeth removed, so I'm talking a little bit funny, so excuse me. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Part 2 to the Lambo will drop tomorrow. I'm actually uploading it right now. But that being said, be sure to smash the thumbs up button. Be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.